Is this the smallest sketch kit ever? It all fits into this shoulder bag which I bought on Amazon. It's a Skyspur Urban X3 and it's a really neat little shoulder bag. And in it I've got a spritzer water bottle which is used for containing the water for painting and for spraying the paints. I've got a palette cleaning brush, I've got some white gouache, and I've got a portable painter micro, and I'll show you the colours that I've got in that later at the end of the video. There's also an A5 sketchbook, and inside the bag there's a place for putting pens and pencils. And all of this fits together in a really neat way. I've got a little board which is the easel or the palette holder for the sketchbook. So that just fits neatly between the covers there. I've got a spare piece of paper just to protect the side of the paper that I'm not working on. Clips on with a band, and also with a little bulldog clip on the other side, and that will just hold everything tightly together. The portable painter micro fits very neatly together. Just pop it together like this. There's a magnet on the back and on the board, so that just sits quite happily on there. And inside this other little bag here I've got a couple of Escoda travel brushes as well. So when we're going to go out painting, all we need to do is to just wet the paints a little bit with the spritzer just to activate the paint, and then from the same bottle put some water into the water container there, get the brushes, get my pencils, get whatever I need, and just ready to go painting. Let me show you the colours that I've got in this little tiny palette.